Hello, and welcome to our Customer Billing Requirements series. In this series, we'll dive into specific customer accounts, focusing on the requirements to successfully process loads. Our expert collector for this account will guide you through instructions ensuring you understand the key standards needed to maintain compliance. Ensuring the requirements are met will allow timely invoice processing and payments. Thank you in advance for your adherence to these guidelines.
Hi, my name is Natasha Allen, the collector for Tote Maritime. My email address is natasha.allen@evansdelivery.com. The biller for Tote is Tatiana Montoya. Her email address is tatiana.montoya@theenoch.com. The bill to code for Tote is TOTJAFLE. Important notice: Tote has strict billing guidelines and requires loads to be worked into their portal Haul for Us weekly. The following instructions will ensure your invoices are approved without delay. If the guidelines are not followed, your invoice will not be able to be invoiced, payment will not be processed, and will be deducted from the agency. The approval process for Tote follows the below diagram. It goes from draft status to audit or reject, pending approval, then approved. Do not submit for approval until final charges are approved and entered in Hall for Us. Billing guidelines. The booking number is the TB number. This number cannot be duplicated. If you are moving empty, dry runs, etc., each activity needs its own booking/TB number. Reach out via email and communicate with Tote to get a second TB number for your activity. Billing also requires ocean booking number. It will start with VSSL or SSL. We also need the container. The container number should match the paperwork, Tote portal, and what you enter into the agent portal. Rate and charges. All rate charges should be entered in the portal. If you need to add remove charges, pull the invoices back and correct costing. Mismatch rates will be adjusted to match Tote portal and subject to agent deductions. Draft tab. The draft tab should be cleared out weekly and ideally promptly after entering the load into Evans Agent Portal with all supporting documentation. The supporting documentation that we require is the BOL, in and out gate tickets, reefer receipts, etc. There will be a 1 week timeline set to resolve any rate discrepancies. Thereafter, deduct as paid will apply. Reefer Fuel. Requirements for Reefer Fuel reimbursements. For approval, requests should be sent to Don Hawkins and Justin Moore. Please include the following as attachments: your Reefer Fuel receipts, Reefer Fuel reimbursement detailed spreadsheet, and an invoice for Reefer Fuel. Don Hawkins' email is don.hawkins@evansdelivery.com, and Justin's email is jmoore@totemaritime.com. Common issues. Pending to be processed. All moves should be closed out weekly and, if necessary, no later than the end of the month that the load was delivered. When this process is not followed, Tote will deactivate the loads to prevent discrepancies in their month-end closing. Once a move is deactivated due to a delay in billing from no response from agent, the load will be uncollectible and an agent deduction will be entered. Duplicate booking TB numbers are not billable. Each move has its own TB number. If you have additional charges to add to a move, the load should be pulled back and audited in the portal to resubmit. Do not submit for approval unless you have completed all movement for the assigned booking/TB number. For example, for TB 00001111, you delivered the live load and need to return the empty container. You will need to add the charges for both under TB 00001111 or reach out to Tote to receive the approvals and a new TB number for the return trip. Another common issue that we see is rates billed do not match the portal. When you are completing your billing, it is more efficient to work the Haul for Us portal and the agent portal simultaneously. Your invoice, which will be used as the reference number, must match with the exact charges rates and the booking number to be under the Approved tab for our biller to bill it out. Below, you will see the contacts for the Tote account. The Evans corporate team consists of Holly White, the billing supervisor, Heather Pilgrim, the AR supervisor, Tatiana Montoya, the billing specialist, Natasha Allen, myself, the AR specialist too, slash collector. For Tote's Maritime team, you have Luz Martinez. She is the senior intermodal analyst, and Justin Moore, the maintenance and repair coordinator. He also is the person that will handle all of your reefer reimbursements. Any email correspondence from the above is of utmost importance, and we request that they be reviewed and addressed in a timely manner to prevent any billing and payment delays.
I would like to thank the collector for taking the time to share the customer's billing requirements with us today. Remember, consistency in the following customer billing requirements is key to success. To stay on track with customer requirements, it's helpful to assign specific tasks to specific team members. This ensures everything gets done correctly and on time. Using the same process across your office helps everyone stay consistent and avoid mistakes. Some customers send out weekly scorecards to show how well you're meeting their expectations for real time updates, accuracy, and consistency. If you need help with anything on your scorecard, feel free to reach out to Lisa Snyder. Lisa can help you create a plan to improve your scores and stay in compliance. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to watch our webinar. We hope the tips shared today will help streamline your billing practices. Please do not hesitate to reach out to any member of the training team if you have any questions. Their email address is listed below. And again, thank you for watching and have a great day.